Hey everyone, welcome back to Wander Wheels. Fahad here, and today we've got something super exciting, the all-new 2025 Royal Enfield Pursuit 850. This luxury cruiser is grabbing attention, and for good reason. From its sleek design to the powerful engine, this is Royal Enfield's game changer. Let's start with the design. The Pursuit 850 has a commanding presence. It combines classic Royal Enfield aesthetics with modern, luxurious touches. Smarter chrome accents, sculpted lines, and that timeless Enfield vibe, it's hard to look away. Now let's talk features. The fuel tank is designed for long journeys with a 19-liter capacity. And the seat, well, it's made for comfort. Whether you're cruising the highways or weaving through the city, this bike keeps you comfortable and stylish. Under the hood, the Pursuit 850 packs an 850cc twin-cylinder engine that delivers around 75 horsepower. The torque is fantastic, making it a thrill to ride. You can really feel that power when you twist the throttle. The ride is smooth too, thanks to the advanced suspension. Dual shock absorbers in the back, upside-down forks in the front, it handles bumps like a pro. And let's not forget the braking system. Dual disc brakes with ABS, ensuring a safe and controlled ride. As for tech, the digital console is packed with features. Bluetooth connectivity for navigation, calls, and even music. It's got everything you need at your fingertips, all in a sleek, modern display. And the sound. Just listen to that exhaust. Deep, rich, with that signature Enfield growl. And those alloy wheels aren't just for show. They help you handle curves and straightaways with ease. So, who's the Pursuit 850 for? Whether you love long-distance touring or daily cruising, this bike has the comfort, performance, and style to match. It's built to impress wherever you ride. That's the 2025 Royal Enfield Pursuit 850. I'm loving how it combines Royal Enfield's heritage with modern tech and luxury. Let me know in the comments, would you take this beauty out for a ride? Thanks for watching Wander Wheels. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews, rides, and bike talk. Until next time, keep the wheels turning and ride safe.